Good morning, everyone. I am doing a small preview clip of my full coverage of Winter Storm Niko, which is currently hitting New York City and coming in with some heavy bands of snow and wind, as you can see by the light fixture there. It's supposed to be a 8 to 12, maybe 14-inch snowstorm, and I'm going to try to do my best to cover it for you guys. I am actually going to go into the snow. Earlier it wasn't snowing as hard, but now it's picked up tremendously. So in a couple hours I'm going to go down and check it out for you guys, and I'll have a full video late tonight. Check it out. Heavy bands of snow.